Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create components in Figma. First, understand that components are fundamental for efficient design workflows. They allow you to build reusable elements, ensuring consistency across all your projects. A master component acts as the blueprint, and any changes made to it will automatically update all its instances throughout your file. This powerful feature streamlines your design process significantly. To create a basic component, simply select the frame or object you want to reuse. Then, click the Create Component icon in the toolbar, which looks like 4 diamonds. Your selected element will transform into a master component. You can then find and drag instances of this component from the Assets panel onto your canvas, ready for use in your designs. Variants allow you to combine multiple versions of a component into a single, organized set. For example, you can have a button component with different states like default, hover, and disabled. Define properties such as state or size to easily switch between these variations. Boolean properties are also useful for simple on or off toggles, simplifying your design system. For more advanced usage, consider nesting components. This means placing one component inside another, allowing you to build highly complex and scalable interfaces with ease. You can also quickly swap instances of components using the Instant Swap menu, which is incredibly efficient. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This helps you stay productive and informed, even when you're away from your design tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.